Basic English versus Advanced English. Let's meet today. Let's catch up today. I'm very busy. I'm swamped. Why are you so angry? Why are you so pissed off? I'm very tired. I'm exhausted. Sorry, I fell asleep. Sorry, I nodded off. It's very cold outside. It's freezing outside. Hurry up, we're getting late. Chop chop, we're getting late. The movie was scary. The movie was petrifying. Stop wasting time. Stop faffing around. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. I'm very tired. I'm worn out. It's not so difficult. It's not a rocket science.